Hey all, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a map into your Google Sites. As you guys know, one of the requirements for your community impact page is to include your map from the community walk like this. And you also have to talk about it. So it's really easy how you can include a community map in your website. So let's get started. So I'm going to go to that tab right now. And all right. So I actually already got started on it, but I'm going to delete it right now so you guys can see exactly what you need to do to make this happen. It's going to look something like this. So let me delete this and delete this. And I'm going to delete a bunch of these things. Okay, so you have an empty slate. First thing you want to do is add a title because it's going to look really awkward if you just add a map and there's no title for it. So click on text box and that's going to create this. Click on title and let's center it and let's call it our community, something like that. And then add a sentence. In my example, I added a little description. Put something like below is a map where we found trash in our community. You might want to add a little blurb as to what this is. This is a map of where we found trash in our community. Okay, something like this. Trash and plastic, because our website is about plastic. Once you do that, now it's time to get our community map ready. So if you go to your Google Drive and you search in your search bar, if you just put map and hit enter, all of the maps that you've worked on should pop up. So I actually have several maps and several things that have map in it, but you should probably only have one thing that says map. You're going to double click on your community map and open it, just like this. Okay? All right. Now, once you open it, let me exit it, you need to make sure that you make this map public. Now, making something public means that anyone can search it up and look at it, anyone on the internet. It's important to do this because when you show your audience, or if your audience wants to look at it at home, they can see it. So how do you do this? You click on the share button right here, and then that's going to load. Okay, it's loading. So slow. Okay, there we go. Mine is already changed to anyone on the internet can find and view. Yours is probably set to private. You're going to click on change and you are going to click on this top button where it says on public on the web. Anyone on the internet can find and access, no sign-in required. And make sure you have it on can view, otherwise people can edit and mess with your map, which would not be good. Then click save and then you're done. Then go back to your Google Sites and then go to map and find that map under the section where it says My Maps, and you're going to check off the one that is yours. Now I have several maps. You probably won't have this many, but you should check off the one that you were working on with your group and hit select, and that is going to pop your map right in there, just like that. You might want to click and drag it bigger so it fills the majority of your page like this, and adjust it, just like that. And that's it. When you log out of Google, and if you were to publish a site, and if you were to go to your site, you'll be able to see this because your map is now public. And that's it.